on another sparkling clean Seoul subway, and I'm just pulling into bus terminal station where I need my transfer on the line number 3. I'm going to do a video of the train one of these days because I figure there's 54 seats on every train, and I have to walk from one end to the other to find out how many trains there are total. And then of those 54 seats, about at least another half are stand-up travelers. And how this go from one train to another, or at least one train to another train platform. And I've made a video several times this way from the same location, but every day is different. Camera seems a lot cleaner these days, like it's brighter light or something, but nothing's changed. It's actually getting older and more run down. Sunday night, so there's not that much traffic. Has anybody looked yet? I know as the people go by me, I can see my peripheral vision, people looking back at me. Not a lot of air conditioning tonight in this station, so I'm cooking a little bit. This moving platform goes down to line number 9. Goes down there, and it can take you right to Incheon or Kimpo Airport. I've put on there sometime as well, but I ain't. No. This is how I drive, by the way, as well. I thought of my biggest complaint about Korea. It's not the food, it's not this, it's not that. My biggest complaint about living in this country is the people. It is trying to walk by them. Drat, I just missed the train. But if I'm trying to walk down a street, sometimes people will walk like together, like holding hands, like 4 people. So it's almost impossible to get by them. And in some of the marketplaces like where I live, the sidewalks are very, very narrow, and it's maybe you can fit one person. So you try to get by them, but they basically take up all the space for passing. I'll show you what else is new in Seoul lately. And probably the whole country. One here, one here. It's a GPS. So let's go to, so I guess that would be in English, no? This one's not working properly. Oh, another thing that bugs me is not working. Another thing that bugs me is the escalators. They never seem to be working. And I met a guy who actually worked for line number 2, and I said, how come the escalators never work? And he said, as far as I can tell, they work most of the time. But I don't think he's been to other countries. But in Korea, in comparison to other countries, the escalator doesn't work very much. I'm out here, I'm gonna sit down, sick of people staring at me talking to the camera, and say goodnight to you. Sunday night. Not too late, 8:30. Where you go in Korea, there's advertising. Advertising is a big business in Korea. Everywhere it's an advertisement. Okay. I'm Michael Arnold 13. That's my name. 13 is my lucky number. Talk to you later. Bye for now. I'll never get rid of my trademark spin.